Wait, what's in here? Oh, I found a baseball bat. Inside.
In the garage thing?
You go inside of it. You. Huh? Oh my God, kid. Where's the garage thing?
Under.
There's under it. Yes, go in there. Go in there. Lead me to the garage. I lost you. Frick.
Oh my gosh, you're not even near it.
Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. Mhm. Oh. Zach, make sure my tablet doesn't turn off.
It won't. I know Roblox.
Yeah, Zach. Don't ruin the sister game.
Oh, we're dead.
Fine. Oh, yeah.
Eat ice cream!
No, please eat my ice cream. Zach!
Oh.
See why we're under here?
Yeah.
Because this part doesn't get sucked up by the tornado.
Because it's the ground. Why didn't you notice that there was a giant hole in the ground?
Well, it's nighttime because of the Halloween update. So let's make it brighter. Hey, let's go attract some attention. I'm joking, don't do that.
Yeah.
Hey. Come on, do your little dancey dance. Do a little dancey dance next to me. What's the thing out? Okay, Zach, turn it off. Off.
We'll just grab your phone and get you. Wait, what do we do if there's a tsunami?
Go to...
Jump on.
You know what? Let me go see what the damage. Okay, it's not that bad.
Yeah, but
Yes.
that's safer.
Oh, Zach, it's coming! Oh, it's coming fast, Zach! Keep your gravity coil out so you don't do any, like, breaker bones if you get sucked up. Come over here, Zach.
Yeah, this is why we need gravity.
Oh, we were about to get hit by a bomb. You see that? Bruh. Big yikes. Yikes forever. Quote unquote, little misfortune. I see it too. Tornado poopy. No. Probably 3-year-old, honestly. Like, don't create a username like that.
Because they're...
Says the child whose username is literally werewolffan34.
Yeah.
Says the child whose username is Turtle Boy. At least they don't know my gender.
I'm on top of the world.
No, you're not.
No.
You are not.
Somebody else should come out of the and said, I'm on top
Of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. I love that song, but that's the only lyrics I can remember. What is it? Tsunami! Zach, get on top. Get on top of the building, then get on top of the tall thing. If you can.
Oh gosh, it's going to be difficult to get on top of that.
No, it's
It's
not.
definitely way harder than the tsunami itself.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, you're probably... I think you need the anti-blast.
Man, that's not gonna work. If I fall, I start using this.
I think this will be fine.
I can't even get up there, bruh. You felt like... It's like you don't move whenever you're up on a high spot. You just don't move. Okay, so where's the tsunami, eh? Oh, it's probably over there. So we still have time, but make sure you... Oh!
Holy goodbye!
Bruh!
Oh my god, that was so
We
unexpected.
jumped at the perfect time!
No, the attempt. Oh my god.
That attempt saved our lives. Like,
I know. Oh my gosh, we gotta upload this.
well, that's it. Oh, he fell. He fell. Perfect. I don't even jump and then drop it again. Like, I'd totally be a jerk and do that. Ooh. Wait, is it daytime? Wait, hold
I
on.
terrorized myself.
Why would you do that? Drop fire? Drop him and ditch him?
No.
Wait, where are you? Where are you? Oh, I see you. I'm coming. I'm coming.
I don't know why I was...
Call for help! Or if I can't pick you up. It's too late!
I don't know why I was so stupid and why I was obsessed with breaking bones finally. I do. I tell you 30. I do.
Turtle Boy 302, that's him, and Werewolf Fan 34, that's me. Go subscribe. Well, he doesn't have he doesn't post on his YouTube channel, but subscribe to Kitty Cat Life. I'm what to put here, please. I need subs.
Yes, you only have
Please, I'm begging you. See, I'm begging. I'm begging.
5. You only have 5.
Most of them are just my family and my therapist.
Yeah.
And then one random stranger. Maybe. What if that's Athena?
It's Athena, isn't it?
Kara subscribed to my YouTube channel. I gotta give my classmates my YouTube channel.
I love it.
I'm on top of the world.
I'm on top
of the world. That's all I can remember. I'm broke.
Just keep saying top. I'm on top of the world.
That's not how singing works.
I'm on top of the world.
Go to the farm. I know where to hide.
Well, is it a volcano?
There's no volcano in this one.
Temple
of Hawaii doesn't have a volcano either, so don't get fooled by that. I'm about to pop your head. Just gonna go pow. Gotta hit them with that pow, pow, pow. No, Hopeful does not have one.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Well, we're getting...
Guys, it's fake education. I have no care on an island.
Can you see that White House right there?
It has a basement.
Yep, that's where we gotta go.
Okay, turn around.
The only risk is we can't see outside. So whenever you see it, just go the opposite way. Also, you could hide in the haystack, but I wouldn't recommend it because normally it gets toppled over. Word poops.
Why? It's
It's in the wooden house, wood everywhere, Giles. Oh my god, we gotta find like a fire extinguisher.
There's one right behind it.
Go in.
Wait, the bottom is made of wood.
Oh, hi cat. There's a cat. I'm gonna post some pictures at the end, like I'll screen record it, and I'll like show some pictures of my cat buddy. He's the white one. Oh! I don't know why that's not very funny. Bro, you want to show me where the shoveler is? Come on, come on. Alright, I gotta find it. Oh, there it is. Behind the barn.
Behind the what?
Barn. Follow me. Okay. Also, never do what they're doing, because they're like about to die.
Behind here?
Right there.
I see it.
Go, my soldier. Goodbye, young soldier.
I'm with the only people with the bunker key. Oh, good night.
Now, whenever you're watching my YouTube video, you can see what I do to survive. Okay, so I'm gonna do a very new tactic I've never done in my life. One of them is where you can view. Oh, the screen turned red.
Oh God, the screen is red.
Don't go out there. Go to the spectating area. Yeah, and let me know if there's a tornado coming near the White House. Like try to find the White House.
I see it coming towards you.
Oh my God. Just keep. Zach, try to find the White House. Oh, I see the White. Oh, it's going to the barn. Is it coming?
No, it's going the other way.
No, Zach, it's coming. The White House is the house that. Buddy.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Good thing you didn't. Which?
Wait, it's a government hideout.
Oh, that's what I said. It's the Illuminati.
No.
Hey, did you see that one court cam video where it was like the dude got charged with like stealing 2 cop cars and he's like summoning a demon and he's like, help, Illuminati.
Yeah.
Like, dude, the Illuminati.
No, the mug is empty. There's no milk in the mug.
I expected coffee in the mug because it's a coffee mug.
Yeah, but me and the other guy is just...
Go to the spectator room. Buddy!
This is the only time I've ever been here.
Well, in the if you summon an atomic bomb,
everybody can. Or if you spend 5 Robux.
We don't have any Robux.
Yeah, but if we did, I'd still do it. You'd go to the treasure and come in. Everybody would say that in there.
Yeah, honestly they would. But they make it so laggy.
Yeah.
Hey dude, can you spectate? Or the GM relying on you, so like I need you to spectate.
The info.
Yeah.
Camera 1, nothing. I feel like that's something.
There's the White House, you just missed it. Right there's the White House. Let me know if there's a tornado coming towards it. And try to find...
If I see any gun, I'm telling
Oh! Keep an eye on it.
Oh, wait. Oh, God, I see it. It's on you.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
It's heading away from you. It's heading towards my camera.
I'm being sucked up by the tornado. I just noticed that.
Look,
I'm alive.
The tornado didn't burn down. Didn't get you, but
Yes, it got to me, Caleb.
it didn't get. It's burning down the house.
It's burning down the house. Yeah.
Oh my God!
Stay in the shelter. Stay in the shelter.
What's that?
I don't know. Stay in the shelter though. Just to see.
Meteors.
See what I mean by stay in the shelter? You always gotta wait that 1 second.
That 1 second. Yeah.
I'm on top of the world.
I'm gonna. Now that should be a big.
Now I just gotta keep an eye on the sky. Shelter won't help. Yes, it will if you're underground.
Or if you.
Buddy is clawing into my leg, and right now I'm dying. So that's nice.
Wait. Is it possible to get into the bomb? Oh my God. I just thought.
I'm gonna try to go in.
Over by the stable. Don't go in.
It's not letting me. Oh, I see it.
I
can see how there's like a little trail now to see what it's.
I saw one I ran. Oh, I see one. There's one
It's right next to me! Oh, I just lost half my health. I ran out of ice cream.
Somebody's in the stable. Some idiot's in the stable.
I just died because they were like attracting me. Like they were attracted to me.
If I was perfect. It's heading towards the
Should I enter the map? Yeah, I'm totally entering it.
Yeah, but if there were nukes and you would go straight to the underground bunker and you just like it.
I wouldn't know where to go.
Yeah. But since I found them. But since I found the key.
Oh, I just lost half my health again. Okay, let's eat like some ice cream.
Yeah, meteors take so much damage off.
Right? I'm telling you, these are attracted to me or something.
Why do you?
Or I'm just not keeping an eye on
Did you get slapped by one?
Again, yeah.
Did you survive?
Yeah. Oh, one just almost hit me. Okay, I should probably be running.
Yeah, you're a magnet. So I get into.
Oh, I see him.
That's like
Frick.
I mean, always say, me and some other guys go.
Or like gonna definitely be survivors.
Yeah, because we're in the bunker.
I'm telling you, they're attracted to me or something.
Yeah, but I found the key.
I see it. I'm dead. Bye. Oh, I actually lived. Hold up. If I die because of this one meteor, I'm gonna be so mad.
Yeah, but the
Oh my god, I lived! Yes! If I don't get the coins for surviving this one.
It's safe!
Don't come out, bruh.
You'll never come out. There might be another feud up. Nobody can get that. And nobody can get that.
Zach, I think you're crazy or stupid or both.
I'd say both. Actually, I think one, please.
You sure you're not stupid?
Yeah, I'm using the other calculator.
Boy test! You know I'm still recording, right?
Take that, Public.
I'm about to bop you in the head till you have
Oh man, I'm dead.
Haha, mother hecker!
Wait, that's a teleport stuff.
So apparently you can't say hell at a Catholic school.
Yeah. Yeah, why?
And apparently they're homophobic. Little heckers. I hope they don't find my. If they find my YouTube channel, I'm gonna be so sad because they actually know I support. Then they'll like.
Support what?
LGBTQ, obviously.
Then they'll do what?
Like probably either kick me out or give me like terrible grades or make my life miserable. One of the three.
The third one.
Well, but they already do make my life miserable. You can't make it more miserable. Come on, school. What do you expect? Tomorrow we start school again, and I'm not excited. But hey, it's only like 4 days of school. Yeah, 4 days of school.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know about Friday. I don't know if they're off Friday. I don't pay attention.
Can we make a new video?
Tropico. Tropico shows the volcano. I'm gonna.
Take me to the.
Yeah, that's where I'm gonna go to the volcano, and I'll like end it off for you guys.
Yeah, and then.
But how was your Halloween? Give a like if you had a good Halloween. Subscribe if you had a great Halloween. Do both if you just like my videos.
Dislike if you don't like if you didn't have a good Halloween.
You had a good Halloween. Other than your costume.
Yeah, my costume.
Let's see the volcano. It will turn your skin green, though. Like, you do turn green. That's the... Ow! Buddy is clawing my leg. Owie. Pentagon. Try the ultra.